7 best photo editing apps for Android. Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you the best photo editing apps that can help you stunning edits, enhance your selfies, and make your fake social media ready. So first up, we have PicsArt with a rating of 4.2 and over 1 billion downloads. This app is like a creative playground. It's not just about filters, but also stickers, collage, background, and even AI-powered editing tools. It's perfect for people who wanna customize their photos with lot of creative options. One cool thing is the built-in community, where you can share your edits and get inspired by others. Next, we have Snapseed by Google with a rating of 4.6 and over 100 million downloads. This one is super popular because it's free, simple, and still packed with pro-level tools. You can get selective adjustment, healing brush, curves, and tons of filter without overcomplicating things. If you want clean, professional-looking edits without spending money, Snapseed is a go-to app. Another awesome app is Polish with a rating of 4.9 and over 100 million downloads. This app is all about making photo editing quick and stylish. It has trendy filters, beauty retouching tools, collage layout, and even AI background eraser. What sets it apart is how beginner-friendly it is. Perfect if you don't want to spend hours editing but still want Instagram-worthy pic. Now let's talk about Lightroom by Adobe with a rating of 4.8 and over 100 million downloads. This app is loved by photographers because it gives you precise control over color, light, and tone. It syncs with Adobe Creative Cloud, so you can edit on your phone and continue on your computer. The best part? It was preset that instantly transforms your photo into professional-looking shots. Next is Remini, and this one is a total game changer with a rating of 4.3 and over 100 million downloads. It uses AI to enhance photos, so if you have got old, blurry, or low quality picture, Remini can make them look sharp and clear. It's especially great for restoring old family photos or upgrading selfies with just one tap. Seriously, it feels like a magic sometimes. If you are into collages, Collage Maker is the way to go. With a rating of 4.9 and over 100 million downloads, it gives you 100 of layouts, stickers, fonts, and backgrounds to combine your photo into creative ways. It's perfect for birthday posts, travel memories, or just making your Instagram feed more fun. Quick, easy, and tons of design freedom. And last but not least, we have B612 with a rating of 4.3 and over 500 million downloads. This one is super popular for selfies because it comes with live filter, AR effect, and beauty retouching tools. You can record short videos, play with makeup filters, and even create fun stickers. It's perfect if you want to edit in real time before posting your pic or stories. And that's it guys. If you wanna make money with just selling photos, you can watch this next video. Bye!